Are you looking to shed some pounds and get healthier? Look no further. Introducing delicious keto recipes for effortless weight loss. The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb eating plan that promotes weight loss by putting your body in a state of ketosis. By reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat consumption, your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of sugar. But don't worry, you won't have to sacrifice flavor on this journey. With our collection of amazing keto recipes, you'll be able to enjoy tasty meals while still losing weight. From savory breakfast options to mouth-watering dinners, we've got you covered. Imagine waking up to a fluffy keto-friendly pancake stack topped with fresh berries and a dollop of whipped cream. Indulge in guilt-free pleasure while keeping your waistline in check. For lunch, how about a creamy chicken and avocado salad bursting with flavor? Packed with healthy fats and protein, this satisfying dish will keep you energized and help you stay on track. And when dinner time rolls around, why not try our famous keto cauliflower crust pizza? Topped with loads of cheese and your favorite low-carb vegetables, you won't even miss the traditional carb-loaded crust. With our easy-to-follow recipes, you'll be able to create these delicious meals in no time. And the best part? They're perfect for meal prepping, making healthy eating even more convenient. So if you're ready to achieve effortless weight loss without sacrificing taste, join us on this keto journey. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes that will help you reach your weight loss goals.